Good experiment Sunday morning. We like to do experiments in the Acura Prime kitchen. We're out of English muffins, so we're going to be using toast. And it's going to look very strange on toast. We're going to cook eggs in our vintage Pyrex Percolator. That's right. We're going to lose this. We don't need this. That landed perfectly. The plan is we're going to fill up water to about the 4-cup line right underneath the tray. The Pyrex Percolator is perfect because we can look in and see the state of the eggs. We will be using some PAM. We want to hedge our bets. Because I have some percolator filters, we're going to use that too. Probably going to soak this in PAM. Put it in. Drop the eggs in. And we're going to cook the eggs in there. Let's stop yapping and let's make some eggs and... Oh, it's experiment Sunday morning. Let's dismantle this for now. Okay. Just going to give it a light spray. Okay, set aside. We've got a little bit of PAM here. Let's wipe some PAM on the inside. That's what we're doing. Don't forget to wipe this. Oh, set aside. Let's just give that filter a little spray of PAM, huh? We don't want the egg sticking in the percolator. Let's put the filter on. You can do it. There you go. Let's assemble. And move that over here. If you don't know, if you're using an electric coil, you probably want to use a heat trivet. These are old Corningware trivets. You can find them on eBay. Let's bring this to a boil. We'll drop the eggs in, and then we'll lower this down in and cover it with the lid. Poached eggs in a Pyrex Percolator. I went out this morning to get gas and water. I got gas, but I couldn't find any water. There's a hurricane coming. We're waiting on the boil. I don't want to cook the eggs while the water is heating up. That's why we're heating up the water first. Getting steamy. Just get a nice little boil. Come on, man. Make it easier dropping it into the chamber. We've got our water boiling. Turn the heat down a little bit. Drop the eggs in. That's one. Two. Perfect! Let's do this. Whoa, we lost some egg. That's okay. That's the price you pay. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, God. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that was hot. All right. It's starting to go up. Poached eggs in a Pyrex Percolator. There she goes. What are we doing? There you go. I think this is the first time you're ever seeing eggs in a Pyrex Percolator. Eggs are turning white. Let's take a look. I don't want to overcook them. No. I think we're almost there. Whoa! Oh my God. I don't know if they're done. Oh, they're overcooked. All right, let's, I'm gonna pull this out. Ow, 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 ow. Oh no! I need a, ow! Put it in a bowl. Okay. Take the top off. Move you aside. We have to separate the bottom from the top. Okay. Now let's try and get them on the toast. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Let's get the other one off the tray. Oh. Oh. You know what? They don't look that bad. They don't look that bad, do they? I thought they were going to look a lot weirder than that. There's yolk in there. There's yolk in there. I need salt. It's Experiment Sunday morning. Let's cut one open and see if there's yolk. I think there's some yolk in there. Oh, look at that! Oh, yeah, big bite. Hey! Let's try this one. Ready? Oh, hey! Hey! We made poached eggs in the Pyrex Percolator. Take a bite. That could have been worse. Well, that was interesting. We lost a little bit of egg in there. All the scragglies. One more bite. I'm so glad they weren't hard-boiled. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Be careful out there, there's a hurricane coming. And thanks for watching.